Need some baking ideas this holiday season? Are you looking for some fun things to do with the family that are inexpensive and also promote maximum memory-making time? You've come to the right place. We're going to share 5 simple kitchen tips for gingerbread houses and cookie decorating that will turn your home into a cornucopia of sweet holiday cheer and offer many opportunities for younger people to work on their fine motor skills. Tip number 1, assemble the gingerbread houses the day before you decorate them so they can set. If you don't, you can expect the newly created homes the excited kids have decorated to fall over. The same goes for whatever kind of cookies you make. You don't need to wait more than a few minutes to decorate those, but if you don't, expect to have a gooey mess on many little people's hands. Tip number 2, if you buy a gingerbread house kit, the frosting can be a fun project to make, but it usually has a thin plastic bag that the frosting goes in, and the edge of the bag is cut to squeeze the frosting out. This can be rather tough and messy for our younger chefs. It may be easier to simply spread it on the roof for snow appearance. Keep this in mind when it comes time to putting the frosting on the cookies too. The last thing you want is to have a bunch of frosting with a side of cookie. These come in plastic and can be much easier for little ones to apply to gingerbread houses, cookies, or whatever else you are baking. Who knows? Maybe you can put frosting on a new sweet dish of some sort and make something sweet that is unique to your family and friends. Tip number 4, not satisfied with the candy offerings that have come with your baking kits? Fear not. You can always buy more. In fact, you can buy exactly what you want, and chances are it will do nothing more than complement your kit, your gingerbread houses, and your cookies. Another benefit is that it will allow you to control what candy your kids are working with, so you can guard against potential allergies. You can also select decorations that will help these budding chefs make the most of their emerging fine motor skills. Tip number 5, finding that you have more decorations than house or cookie real estate? Expect that not all the candy will make it onto both offerings. Chances are your little ones will likely sample some of the candy, so be careful in giving them any treat they might be allergic to. Cooking and creating in the kitchen is one of the things many people look forward to during the holidays. It allows us to come together, learn new skills, work on various aspects of cooking, and we have something delicious to show for all of our hard work. Thank you so much for watching Gingerbread Houses and Cookie Decorating for the holidays. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. For more tips and tricks on how to make this season fun, interesting, and anxiety-free, subscribe to our channel and check out the rest of our holiday videos.